Hey, what's up guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today behind me, I got a 2022 Heartland Bighorn 32 RS. This one is a super nice unit. You can see the awning already. It's kind of almost covers the entire rig with the LED lights. You also got your pass-through storage here. What's really cool about this pass-through storage is you can access it from the front of the coach, which is really, really convenient. So you don't have to go on each side each time and figure that out. So we got 3 slides on this unit. It's got the solid steps and the extended arm for stability. So let's go inside and check this out. Coming on in, we got the light interior in this rig, which is really nice. You got the solid surface countertops, which is Corian, which is really high quality stuff, everyone. We got some cabinet space up here. You even got a wireless phone charger that you can just put right there. It's also a nice place you can put your toaster or coffee maker. You can even put more coffee pods in here or anything else that you want to put in there. You also got the pantry here, which is nice. Nice space for that. You even got your double door kitchen. Refrigerator that is. And freezer, super nice. Both gas and electric, which is super nifty. You got the bigger microwave in this one, which is really nice, as well as a 3-burner stove cooktop and the bigger oven as well, which is super, super convenient just for cooking more meals when you're with the family. You got more chances for storage over here and on this side. You get really creative with your space and what you need it for. Super beautiful. This does come on the slide out as well as the opposing slide, which gives you a lot more room to work with. A lot of spaciousness in this coach. You also have our big screen TV, couple drawers, and the fireplace as well to keep you warm during those cold times. You also got a couch and recliners so you can host guests, whoever wants to come on over, with ample stuff to store on the top and just be decorative with it, yeah? The cabinetry on here is really, really quality too. Really love the feel. It's real wood that you got going on here. It's super beautiful. And you even got, if you look right here, we even got our dinette here. Our freestanding dinette with 2 chairs, but it comes with the extender. So if you wanted to host more guests, it can hold up to about 4 or even more people if you get more creative, yeah? So that's the back of the coach, and this does come equipped with 1 AC on the top in the living space with ducts throughout, which is super nice. And you also have the removable sink tops here, countertops I mean, with the stainless steel sink. Super beautiful. Let's go to the front of the coach where the bathroom is. Take a look in here. Super nice, consistent throughout the coach with the light interior. Super beautiful. Really love this one. Simple, but also one that you can also host guests. Come on into the bedroom. Super beautiful in here. You do have another AC in this unit, or in this bedroom, which is really nice. You also got the big screen TV here, and you got a wireless charger as well as some more windows in here. So it makes you feel like you're kind of outside but still inside. And you got plenty of storage space here for your clothes or any other things that you'd like to put in here. Check out this place for a washer and dryer. It's pretty huge. You can even use it for storage for clothes if you'd like. And it's got the mirror here, which is super beautiful. And then they've also extended the closet space just by adding another closet door, which is pretty nice. Lots of space, convenient. You can put your shoes there on the top or your hats or anything like that. And you got the nice king size bed here, really beautiful. It comes on that slide out, so it gives you more space to walk around the bed. And you even can put more stuff underneath here. So it's got 2 more chairs underneath there that comes with the coach, but you can put more stuff in there if you'd like. Super beautiful. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact me. My name is Kyle. Would love to talk to you. My phone number is 541 794. Again, my name is Kyle. Go ahead and give me a call and we'll get your questions answered. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.